Yeah, this is going to be good. So we're going to be going over how you get money today using the 6 best affiliate networks. So I'm going to be talking about a couple different ways that you can get money, and you can make up to $5,400 with one sale, with one lead, with one click. I'm going to show you how you can do that with one of these affiliate networks, which I'll go over in a little bit. So stay tuned. We have really cool affiliate networks coming up where you can make high ticket commissions, or where you can work with big brands, where you can get recurring commissions, where you can get affiliate networks to pay for your car lease, all sorts of stuff. Let's check it out. I've been doing affiliate marketing for 10 years now, so I have a very good idea of what the best affiliate networks are, and I'm excited to show you what I believe the current best are for the year 2020. Let's get it. Gosh, freaking love this. Okay, I love this money gun. Now, let's talk about affiliate networks. I've been doing this for a while. I know what the best ones are, but I'm gonna start out with something that if you wanna work with big brands, I'm just gonna list them all out. Number 3 and number 6 are high ticket affiliate programs, so you'll want to stick around for those, okay? And I'm going to give you links to sign up for every one of these affiliate networks in the description below. I'll be explaining to you kind of what percentages they pay out, what traffic sources they're good for, and some information about the products, etc., so that you have an idea of what you'll need to do to market these, the products on these networks, and how much money you can expect to earn. Now, between these networks, you can do all of this worldwide. Some networks will accept some countries, some networks will accept other countries, but overall, these cover every single country in the world. Okay, ShareASale. So ShareASale is a great network because they work with a lot of big brands. You can see here's Major League Baseball, right? This is Jillian Michaels, a really famous weight loss trainer. So you see NBA stores. So you have a lot of big brands that are working with this. Now there's a link in the description which will send you to this page. If you want to join ShareASale and apply to be a part of ShareASale, I suggest you sign up. A lot of these affiliate networks will ask you for a website. Now you can give them one of your social media profiles. You can use that as your website. I do suggest you get a website though, okay? Register a website. Bluehost.com. It costs like $3 a month. There's no reason not to have a website. So ShareASale right here. And as you see, this is if you're logged into ShareASale, you see all the merchants. Now, what's interesting to note about ShareASale is a lot of their programs are physical products. A lot of clothing lines. You're seeing a lot of makeup lines, eyeglasses, physical goods, accessories, all sorts of stuff like that. A lot of these programs, they don't pay super high commissions. They'll pay maybe anywhere from 5% to about 15% commission. So if you sell a product from the NBA store, let's say you sell 2, Kevin Durant jerseys or a LeBron James jersey, you can make about $50 each, make about $10. But the great thing about this is they're big brands and you can get in front of people really easily. And this is stuff that people are gonna buy anyways. You don't really have to do much sales. You just have to get in front of the right people and put the product in front of their face. They're gonna buy it anyways. Let's move onwards. The next site is called MaxWeb, and this is one of the fastest growing affiliate networks. They focus primarily on digital products, okay? So software products, online training products for, gardening or making money or whatever. So there's a lot of stuff like that. They're very fast growing. They're kind of similar to ClickBank. They're kind of like a ClickBank competitor. They generally have much higher payouts. So generally you will get paid anywhere between 25 to 75% of the sale. So much more aggressive commissions than a ShareASale, but the merchants are much less known. So you're actually going to have to use pre-sale pages or what have you. It's not like Nike, people are already searching for Nike. These are products people aren't searching for, so you'll need to do cold traffic, use any of the methods that we're using that I teach you in my free traffic methods playlist, which I'll have my assistant put a link up here so that you can go to the free traffic methods, but you can use all those methods for a lot of the products on MaxWeb and they'll work very effectively. Okay, now here's a really exciting affiliate network that can make you a lot of money. It's one of our first high ticket affiliate programs where you can make up to $5,400 with one sale. I definitely sign up for this affiliate network right here. It's called the Super Affiliate Network, and it's run by this guy, Misha Wilson, Hawaiian guy, and they just have a freaking fantastic track record of success. Now, as you see here, I'm logged into the dashboard, and this program, this is actually an old image of me, pre-beard image of John Crestani. So I look like kind of a douchebag, but you know, you can make a lot of money doing this. Check this out. They even have a leaderboard where you can see who else is making money with this program. So you can even see the top earners, you know, I'm not even up there, but Paolo, you know, David Kirby, Greg Chan, you know, you can see all these people, you can see people's ranks, and it's really exciting because they've really created a community of success here. And you see normal people from all walks of life making tons of money with this program. So I definitely hop on this, and it's just so, the amount of success and the amount of hype they bring, it's really fun. They have events all around the world. They have what's called their Maui Intensive, which I really highly recommend you go to. Great program. You really teach, they really immerse you in affiliate marketing and starting an internet business, and you can learn so much from attending their events. I highly suggest you attend their events. They have a lot of education within their program. It's not just an affiliate network, but it's also an education platform, so you can learn a lot of stuff there. And if you're wondering about the commission structure, let me bring this up here. They pay anywhere from 30 to 70%, so you can earn as much as 70% on some of these sales. And they offer training products that range from $24 up to about $18,000. And you can earn about 30% of $18,000 is about $5,400. So you have the chance of, you know, getting $5,000 commission, which is really, really, really cool. So I definitely try this program, and what's even better is they will pay for a car for you. So if you get enough sales with this program, you will get $2,500 a month towards a car. Pretty neat. $2,500 a month is like a Ferrari. So you move up the ranks with this business, you're getting a free Ferrari, you're getting free events, you're getting all sorts of stuff. Really cool business and really cool business model. Now the next site I'm going to discuss with you is called Digistore24, and Digistore24 is the largest affiliate network in Germany. They actually do about $250 million a year just in the German market, and they're fast expanding in the US. I mean, they're leading a Panzer tank blitzkrieg of the American market. They've been opening offices out here, hiring tons of people, and they're going to be pretty big. They just started an American market in 2019. So you can expect to see a lot of companies signing up and working with this, a lot of affiliates, and I would definitely encourage you to sign up for Digistore as well. They will accept people from anywhere in the world, I think even like North Korea and stuff. So sign up there and apply to every one of these networks that I'm telling you about. Digistore24 is similar to ClickBank in the sense that it's mostly digital products, mostly lower ticket, kind of under $100 digital products, but that's a really good niche. And here we are in the actual product categories of Digistore. So you see it's digital products, and you can see right now in the US they only have 72 products. Now if you compare that to ClickBank, ClickBank has about 5,000 different products that you can promote, but they're growing fast. You know, last time I checked, they only had 30 products, so there's a lot more products being added every month. And you can see, you know, this is a software product for marketers, advanced keyword tool. Once again, a software for businesses, collaboration tool. Here's one of their top selling products. It's called 3-Day Potty Training. Every mom wants to train their kids how to use the potty in 3 days. You know, I know my wife was trying to figure out how to potty train our daughter. Well, this is a great product to promote. Again, it's kind of like lower ticket, $15. It's something that every single mother wants to have for her son or daughter. Sleep training for babies. You have all sorts of different products that you can sell in this marketplace, so check it out. Okay, now fifth affiliate network is, you know, one of my favorites. You've probably heard me talk about this in a lot of videos. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, if you're finding out new affiliate networks that you like, type in value in the comments. Type in value and give me some exclamation points and give me a big like if you're getting value from this video already, because I want to make sure that this is new information for you, okay? I want to make sure I'm not just repeating stuff that you've already heard before. I want to help you make money in affiliate marketing. You should be putting this stuff in action. If you aren't putting this stuff in action, but you want to, make sure to check out my free traffic methods playlist. I have a playlist of all the free traffic methods costs nothing to, you don't have to spend money on ads or software or anything, and you can start getting your affiliate links out there. And I suggest right after this video, you watch all of those videos and you start putting some stuff into action so you can actually start earning those $5,400 commissions. So here's ClickBank, and ClickBank has about 5,000 products. Not going to spend too much time on them, but if you want to market my own product, make sure you sign up for ClickBank. Now, my product, it's a training course, sells for $1,000 plus $250 a month recurring. Millions of dollars worth of my product sells per month, and we're paying out affiliates hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So if you're thinking, who the hell would pay $1,000 for education? Well, hundreds of millions of people around the world do every year for college. They pay much more than $1,000. And this is one of the top selling products on the internet. So I pay out affiliates hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, and my affiliates are getting 50% of this. So my affiliates are making recurring commissions. They're making $500 per sale. And we have a lot of support for our affiliates. As you can see, we are providing some of the biggest names in the industry have promoted my product, a lot of big marketers. Here's an example of one marketer who made $27,000 in a single day, and that's not even counting the recurring commissions that he made from the $250 a month. Here's some of our success stories. I have students making millions of dollars using the methods that I train people in the course, and I provide a lot of serious, just if you're doing emails, we provide email swipes for you. If you're doing Facebook ads, if you're doing free traffic methods. We have all the free traffic methods here: Reddit, Craigslist, Tumblr, Pinterest, DeviantArt. So we provide a lot of resources for you to be successful and make money as an affiliate, and that's part of the reason why this is so successful. So I definitely suggest you hop on this and start making money. ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels has about 20 products that you can sell through their affiliate network, and you can click the link in the description for all of these programs to join all of these affiliate networks. And what's great about ClickFunnels is they also will buy a car for you. Okay, you get enough sales, you get 100 ClickFunnels users, and ClickFunnels will pay you $500 a month for your lease. Each customer, this isn't high ticket, each customer has to pay $97 a month, and of that you get 40%. So each time you get a customer, you're getting $40 a month for life. So you get 100 ClickFunnels users, and effectively you could probably retire. That would be $4,000 a month coming in every single month, and you get your car paid for. So you'll make a nice income, and you get a free car. A lot of people are doing this. I have a free car, so pretty neat, yeah. And ClickFunnels is also nice because they also give a lot of support. So they give you a lot of swipe files, they give you a lot of ads, they give you a lot of funnels, they give you a lot of materials to help you be an affiliate, and they give you a lot of training in order to be an affiliate so that you can make money. And here's some of their dream car winners. So you see all of these people, Todd Brown, Mike Filsames, Ty Lopez, look at that, he's a ClickFunnels dream car winner. All of these people have won dream cars through ClickFunnels. I wonder if they put my picture on here. All of these people have gotten cars. You can get a car too. Lots of people are doing it. It's really fun, and why not? Now, the last program is another high-ticket affiliate program, and that program is called Six Figure Mentors. Similar to ClickBank, you sell digital products through Six Figure Mentors. But also similar to the Super Affiliate Network, there's also a training component. They spend a lot of time training you. There's a lot of materials that they give you to help you effectively market and make money online. Even training on the sign-up page to be an affiliate. And people are getting a lot of success. They're creating a lot of people that are successfully making money marketing. All of these people, you see normal people from walks of life, Claire's, Matthew DaCosta, all normal people are making money and reaching large levels of success doing this program. And you can click the link down and you can get started with Six Figure Mentors. Woo! Oh man, that's a lot of affiliate networks. Hope you got some value from that, and let me know in the comments below what was your favorite affiliate network, because I want to go in whatever affiliate network is the most interesting to you other than ClickBank. I've talked about ClickBank a lot. Make sure, let me know in the comments below, and I'll go over how I promote it, my methods, what I would suggest you do if you want to get out there and start making money with that affiliate network. Now, the ones we talked about, just to recall, we talked about Digistore, We talked about MaxWeb. We talked about ClickFunnels. We talked about Super Affiliate Network. We talked about six-figure mentors. Talked about Share a Sale. Those are the 5 ones. I've already done videos on ClickBank. If you want to learn more about how to promote on ClickBank, I'm going to have my assistant post up a video right above me or somewhere. But let me know in the comments which was your favorite network other than ClickBank, and I will do a video showing you how to promote it and how to make money with it so you can start getting commissions into your bank account as well. I want everybody on this channel to be successful. I want you to be successful because the more money you make, the more money I make. We're in this together. We're doing affiliate marketing together, and I want you to be successful. So that's why I'm sharing all these tips. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell. Talk to you soon. I release videos every day, Monday through Friday. Make sure you're on the notification list so you can see what I come out with next.